My name is John. I love my job because it takes me around the world. Before I travel, I take my time searching and researching about my accommodation. When I got my business trip to Zimbabwe, I searched and found Mudziyashe. They picked me up from the airport with a luxury car, and that made me feel royal and important. I loved the warm welcome. As I walked into the room, I said to myself, this is the home of pleasure and relaxation. The following day, after my meetings, I quickly went back to Mudziyashe, and as I was working, I was enjoying the intimacy with nature. Birds were singing, and the cool breeze was blowing. I enjoyed the delicious food made by highly trained professional chefs. I then discovered that this place is also a business center, wedding venue, camping area, and a lot more. Simply put, Mudziyashe is excellent. You should visit it too.